Not much of an update today for you guys. I believe I got the radiator ready to remove. Just sitting in there now. There was a row of bolts on the bottom that I had to fight, and I couldn't get them off. A couple of them broke. Ended up removing the front bumper to get to the bolts between the cross member and the radiator there. Honestly, hindsight, I probably would have been better off just pulling the whole front cross member out. I tried, and they were tight, and I thought, well, I'll just do something else. Well, yeah. Anyways, but yeah. So in order to get this radiator out, I pulled the front bumper. Just waiting for some help here to get this radiator lifted out. It's too heavy for just me, but as you can see, look how small that thing is. It just blows my mind. What a horrible design, in my opinion. You're just relying on that water pump and that fan to constantly be moving. But there it is anyhow. All right, end of the day, and the radiator is out. That is a huge accomplishment. What a pain in the butt that was, but I'm glad. So here in the morning, I'll take it to the radiator shop, and then we'll fix a few other things, and yeah, pretty happy with that. Got the hood all closed and buttoned up, and with that fan in there, it looks suspiciously like a Amboy trucking Marmon with an air-cooled Deutz in there. If you guys know Amboy trucking or Slatchy trucking, you would understand my reference. But yep, I'm gonna call it a night. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video.